Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long break, and after a long time, it's so nice to connect with my beloved viewers once again. Uh, Today, when I was just thinking this particular thing about mindless consumerism, and people are talking about carbon footprints and green and environment friendly, eco friendly, organic. Is there any thought given to it? Do we put any thought when we are consuming anything? Excessive consumption. And people have ready-made answers like recycling, like as though it is such a easy thing to be done. The amount of it's so labor intensive, and it is so it is not conducive to keep recycling all your plastic and all your other things. Mindless consumerism, जैसे fast fashion. People are just buying things जो भी trendy है खरीद लिया. But do they know what material it is? It is rayon and polyester. And some of these designs are so ugly and those colors are so gaudy. The whole thing looks so tacky when you wear it. But in the name of fashion and trend, we wear it. We just buy it. They are so overpriced. They are done in sweatshops where these laborers are hardly paid and they're working in such unhygienic, unsafe conditions. 14 hours a day, just to give you some fast fashion. फिर हम लोग बन जाते हैं vegan. Then we follow people like this Sadhguru, Osho, Shivani, Muktananda, and who's that guy? Om Swami, or all these Gopal Gaur, all these fancy Zakir Nayak, all these fancy things. Then we become Buddhist, quoting Buddhist quotations on our Instagram, showing that we are such a loving and caring person. We run behind animals to save them. Some tigers, extinct species, some rhinos and hippos in Africa or something. We are in lost causes. What is the real thing? We are not bothered. We want all these fancy people who write books like Jordan Peterson, Deepak Chopra, and all these kind of people. Get rich, Mind Valley kind of nonsense we want. Mindless consumerism means it is affecting every aspect of our life, not just with things. We have started valuing things and experiences more than human relationships or simplicity or living in the moment. We are just either living in the past, and we are so impressed with all this entertainment bullshit. People are defending these Bollywood stars. They are fighting with me. How come I'm saying such a thing? I said they are here to distract you. Your religion, your Bollywood, your cricket. Asians are so dumb. Otherwise, वो government कैसे control करेगा? By giving you all bread and circus. पागल की तरह कोई ना कोई headline देके. News channels देखो कितने घटिया है. They just brainwash you all the time with all negativity and toxicity. माइंडलेस कंज्यूमर्स. टीवी है तो देखते रहेंगे, खाना है तो खाते रहेंगे, सेक्स है तो वो करते रहेंगे, पॉर्न है तो वो देखते रहेंगे, वीडियो गेम है तो खेलते रहेंगे, सोशल मीडिया पे है तो 24 घंटे सेल्फी निकाल के या दूसरा कुछ फालतू चीज़ कर करके पोस्ट करते रहेंगे. If there is books, then we are becoming obsessed with books, and then we pretend to be these very intellectuals. We just consume because it is a bestseller, not because it's a real good book. Sometimes a book is not very popular, but it will be really good, worth reading. कोई उसके बारे में बात नहीं करता because it is not New York bestseller, क्योंकि वो trendy नहीं है. We are just blindly following all our idols like these जो गाना गाते हैं, these pop stars and these rappers and all this, cricketers, sports stars, football stars. They're just so mindless. I call ourselves mindless zombies. Zombie consumerism. And agar we are obsessive about one person, then we are so dependent upon that one person or a group of person or a cult. We are obsessed about it. मतलब हर चीज़ एक रिलीजन बन जाता है हमारे लिए. पढ़ाई का इतना बड़ा वैल्यू. मैंने बड़ा पढ़े लिखे का क्या है? Bookish knowledge. But when you ask them common sense and practical things, they are so dumb in life. But we place so much value. Are Om Swami is from Australia. Are that Muktanand is an engineer and an MBA. So instead of doing a job, what is he doing? वो एक दुकान खोल के बैठा है and बैठे बैठे करोड़ों कमा रहा है. Because fools like y'all are there who give so much of importance to degrees. अरे डिग्री कर रहा है तो उसकी डिग्री है. बट पीपल आर इम्प्रेस. IAS है, कौन है वो? प्रशांत आचार वाला, कौन है वो? हाँ, so impressed. ISA है, ये है, government civil servant. Now he's spitting truth, it seems. If that man is supporting Osho, then you should understand that man is a big fraud. You know Osho's concept, na? Some of us, we hide behind all these mindless consumptions because we don't want to face truth. Alcoholism, drugs, so that we forget. अरे party करता हूँ, party. I remember hanging around with bunch of people. There was this guy who used to keep boasting, मैं party करता हूँ. अरे मेरा alcohol consumption कितना high है, मैं 10-12 भी पी सकता हूँ, कुछ नहीं होगा. Loser. As long as you have a job, people are going to hang around with you. When your bad times are there, are people around you? No. So we must learn to accept reality as it is, rather than depending on other people or depending on circumstances, depending upon this government. Why can't we think for ourselves? Why can't we take small actions? कुछ देखा, do we open our mouth? फट्टू की तरह अंदर बैठ जाते हैं और सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे बड़े बड़े कोटेशंस देते रहते हैं. We never take that responsibility to take on something. When I am a nobody, and the amount of hate I'm getting for something. नवाजुद्दीन के बारे में इतना बुरा क्यों कहा? मैंने बोला वो तुम्हारा चचेरा भाई लगता है क्या? Oh, he is doing a great job. No, he is acting. He is getting on भिखारी जैसा acting करता है, डॉन का acting करता है. No, he's come up a long way. He was poor and he became rich. What nonsense is this? How does it matter? इसके ऊपर भी how dare you are having problems with everybody and all that. These are actors and actresses. You all are defending them. They are here to make money and here to promote some agendas. That is their main thing. To bring about some changes, to create controversy and scandals and keep you occupied. इसके ऊपर भी लोग मेरे साथ बहस कर रहे हैं. So carried away with their success. अरे उसको अवार्ड मिला. मैंने बोला अवार्ड का क्या है? किसी को भी मिलता है. What is to be impressed about this acting? Art के नाम पे nonsense बना दो and these artifacts are selling, but the real talented वो जो कारीगर craftsmen कोई नहीं देखता है उनको क्योंकि it's not marketed well. We don't appreciate smaller things in life. We don't appreciate simplicity. हर चीज़ में तामझाम होना ज़रूरी होता है. हर चीज़ में शोर शराबा, more noise, more glitter, more glamour. We become bored easily. We need some stimulation in our heads. We don't take life as it is. इसलिए we want process addiction. Gambling, online gambling होता है. चलो फटाफट पैसे बना लेते हैं थोड़े से. या शॉपिंग करते हैं. या अपने आप को लेप लगा के रखते हैं. 24 घंटे ये करेंगे, कलर करेंगे. मतलब it's just hair. या give it minimum requirement. Keep it well maintained. 24 घंटे अपने आप पे ये डाइट वो डाइट. क्या है? नॉनसेंस है ये सब. Anyway, enough of my rant. Please share your comments. Tell me how you think about it. That MGTOW was another one. Men have so much of hatred towards women. Sick creatures. Anyway, I will talk about this later. But anyway, have a nice day. Bye.